It is July 19th, 2020. I'm perplexed. I could have sworn I did this block print in 1969, my first block print. It's possible I still have the block 4 years later. I no longer have it, because this proof is dated February 1973. I was living in Champaign, Illinois. In 1969, I was living in an apartment at 105 Thompson Street between Prince and Spring, and kind of the western Little Italy. The eastern Little Italy was over like east of Broadway, or like around Mott Street. I was in the Thompson-Sullivan Street, Little Italy. Anyway, and I would swear under oath that I did this in 1969, so anyway, that's just a guess. Perhaps I still had the block and printed this proof on the right there. These are undated. My memory has it was just inspired by a Picasso sculpture. Now I'm going to have to look at a book of Picasso's artworks and see if there's a sculpture like this, because I have no recollection what it would have been, but I used to visit the Museum of Modern Art a lot, as well as galleries like on 57th Street in Manhattan back then. This is where I first became acquainted with the late African-American artist Jacob Lawrence's artwork in an exhibit in a gallery in West 57th Street. Right, there you have it, standing figure, inspired by what I recollect as having been a Picasso sculpture.